So guys, for the first step, you want to turn on Hotspot on your phone. So just go into your phone settings, whether you're using iOS or Android, just go to settings. And now once we're here, you want to search for Hotspot. You want to select mobile hotspot. You want to turn on mobile hotspot. It might look a bit different if you're using an iPhone or just iOS, but the steps are pretty much going to be the same. Just look for mobile hotspot and then turn that on. It's going to ask you to turn off Wi-Fi on your phone. Click on turn off. Your Wi-Fi will now be turned off and your hotspot will be turned on. Now you want to go into your hotspot, just click on it. You want to take a note of your network name and your password of your hotspot. You can also click it and you can change it if you want to. Next, you want to go onto your computer that you want to hotspot. You may also have to turn on mobile data for your phone. So I'm going to swipe down from the top. I'm going to find mobile data. I'm going to turn that on. So turn on both hotspot and your mobile data on your phone. Now once you're on our computer, in the bottom right on our taskbar, you want to click on the Wi-Fi icon. Now once this comes up, you want to click on the Wi-Fi option. And now once we're here, you want to find your phone hotspot. Once you find it, you want to click on it, enter your password, and then click on next. You're then going to be connected to Hotspot from your phone onto your computer.